Hi, my name is Dickie. Today we have developed an enticing and favorite recipe of barbecue shrimp salad with orange dream shack that is not only for healthy but also appealing to customers at the market, food stall or restaurant. All details of this ingredient required and step-by-step cooking instruction and suggested how to be effectively promote this dish to attract more visitors to what I have given to you. With the flavor combination and any unique selling point to make this recipe stand out for the visitor, we have highlighted the health benefit and dish such as being high in protein, vitamins and antioxidants. Now Linda will be doing the presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today we have created enticing and flavorful recipe for barbecue shrimp salad with orange dream shakes that is not only healthy but also appealing to customers at a market food stall or restaurant. We have provided detailed list of ingredients required, step-by-step cooking instructions, and suggestions on how to effectively promote this dish to attract visitors. Include tips on presentation, flavor combinations, and any unique selling points to make this recipe stand out. Here is the ingredient list: 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt, pepper to taste, 6 cups mixed salad, 1 cup tomatoes, halved 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced 1/2 corn kernels, 1/4 cup cilantro, chopped 1 avocado, sliced 1/4 cup barbecue sauce for dressing, 2 tablespoons orange juice, 1 tablespoon honey, 1-2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1 cup Greek yogurt, orange slices for garnish. Next is step-by-step cooking. Giving and idea of cooking the barbecue shrimp salad with orange dream shakes. 1. In a bowl, combine olive oil, barbecue sauce, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Add shrimp and toss to coat. Let marinate for at least 30 minutes. 2. Preheat grill or pan over medium-high heat. Grill shrimp for 2-3 minutes per side until cooked through. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. 3. In a large bowl, combine salad greens, cherry tomatoes, red onion, corn, and cilantro. Toss to mix. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together barbecue sauce, orange juice, honey, Dijon mustard, and Greek yogurt to make the dressing. 5. To assemble the salad, divide the salad greens mixture onto plates. Top with grilled shrimp, avocado slices, and drizzle with dressing. Garnish with orange slices. 6. For the orange dream shake, blend orange juice, Greek yogurt, banana, honey, and vanilla extract until smooth. Add ice cubes and blend until desired consistency. 7. Serve the barbecue shrimp salad with orange dream shakes chilled and enjoy. Let's see the demo of cooking step by step. Barbecue shrimp salad with orange dream shakes. We start up with the shrimp. In a bowl, combine olive oil, barbecue sauce, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Add shrimp and toss to coat. Place in a pan, grill shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes per side until cooked through. Next we prepare for the oranges. Add cinnamon sugar on top orangers. Time to toss. In a large bowl, combine salad greens, cinnamon toasted almond, crumbled blue cheese, and Vidalia onion dressing. Toss to mix. Next prepare orange dream shakes. Orange juice, add blossom honey. Add vanilla ice cream. Put into a blender. Now prepare the salad greens, shrimp, and orange slices. Now getting ready to serve. Dreamy. How we can create a marketing campaign for the barbecue shrimp salad with orange dream shakes. Healthy food recipe to boost sales at a local market food stall and restaurant. We develop a visually appealing design board showcasing the recipe, highlighting its unique features and health benefits. Utilize persuasive language to entice visitors to try the dish, and provide information on the ingredients' nutritional value. Also incorporate testimonials from satisfied customers to build credibility and increase trust in the product. Visual design board, image of the barbecue shrimp salad *, a colorful and appetizing bowl filled with grilled shrimp, fresh greens, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers. A drizzle of tangy barbecue sauce. Health benefits, supports weight management and overall well-being, boosts immune system and digestion, promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails, enhances energy levels and focus, reduces inflammation and risk of chronic diseases. Call to action, visit our food stall and restaurant today to try our mouth-watering barbecue shrimp salad with orange dream shakes. Indulge in a guilt-free meal that will leave you wanting more. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Your taste buds will thank you. This how we can create an attraction landing page and website. This barbecue shrimp salad with orange dream shakes is a perfect balance of savory and sweet flavors, making it a refreshing and satisfying option for customers looking for a nutritious meal. We create a marketing campaign for a healthy food recipe to boost sales at a local market food stall and restaurant. Develop a visually appealing design board showcasing the recipe, highlighting its unique features and health benefits. Utilize persuasive language to entice visitors to try the dish, and provide information on the ingredients' nutritional value. Focus on creating an engaging and enticing campaign that drives foot traffic to the food stall and restaurant. Happy learning and cooking for yourself. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones. And do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com.